What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Ghostface from Scream. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the eyes. Now I'm going to start on the left side. I'm going to curve this down and then out towards the left, towards the bottom. Now let's line up the top over on the right side and do the same thing, going out in the opposite direction and down towards the same height. Now let's go back up to the top. Just going to round this out with a half circle, going up and then down along the side. Now the wider we come down towards the bottom, come down and then out. Now the eyes get wider as we come down towards the bottom. Go all the way around the eye and then back in. Now I switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. Now let's go in between the eyes along the bottom and add a curve for the nose. We're going to go up and then down with a half circle. Along the bottom, round this out and just pull that up towards the center. And we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a curve for a fold, going up and then down. Let's go back underneath the nose and add a curve for the mouth. Drawing a half circle, going up and then down. Now it's going to taper the mouth so it comes in towards the bottom, and I'll round that out. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's add that thick fold along the outside of the eye. Starting on the left, we're going to step up. Just going to follow the curve of the eye, coming all the way around, come in, and then up. I'll do the same thing on the right, going around the eye, come down, and then up. Now underneath the eyes, we're going to curve the cheekbones, coming in and then down towards the side of the mouth along the bottom. And I'll curve the chin, coming down, and then back up. Let's draw the top of the head. Over on the left side, I'm going to step out, curve this up, go across, and then back down. Now let's draw the outside of the hood. From the outside of the eye, we're going to step out, curve this down. I just want to bend that in towards the side of the chin. Let's go to the right side. Coming down, and then bending that in. Now on the right side, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go straight up, go around the head, and then bend this in toward the center of our page. And then on the left side, we're going to fold this over. We're going to go up, and go a little bit higher in the middle, just bend that across towards the right, round at the end, and then pull that back in. Now let's draw on the side of the body. On the left, we're going to step down, bend this out, and then down towards the hips. Close off the bottom with a curve, going down and then up. Now let's draw on the belt. Starting back over on the left, curve this down and then up. From the hips, we're going to draw the side of the leg. We're going to go out and then down towards the bottom. Now we're going to tear up the bottom edge of the robe. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and then down. We're going to vary the size of these curves, going all the way across towards the right. And we'll tuck the legs in underneath, leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the heel, go to the right, and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. On the left, going down and then up. Let's round out the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then from the outside of the foot, draw a straight angle line going up underneath the robe. Now we also want to add a thick sole along the bottom of the foot. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the knife. We start underneath the head, then it's down, and then up towards the wrist. From the wrist, we want to curl around the thumb. We're going to go up, bend this down towards the bottom, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. Now you want to add 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, I'm going to bend this around and in like a half oval. From the bottom, draw that again, going around and then up underneath the thumb. And then we'll do that one more time. Now let's draw in the handle. Starting from the top, draw 2 lines going up, around at the top. Now along the bottom, we'll draw a rectangle. Starting from the outside, go out, down, come all the way across toward the inside, go up and then out in behind the finger. Now let's draw on the blade. From the center, step in, curve this down, and then in, go out, taper this down towards the bottom. Let's add some blood across the end with this wavy line. Then add a spot along the top. Let's go back up to the wrist and draw the edge of the sleeve. We're going to come in, bend this out, and then in towards the bottom. And then from the handle, curve the palm coming in and then up. Let's taper this up underneath the knife. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the sleeve in black. Let's tear out the bottom edge of the sleeve just like we did along the bottom of the robe. We're going to go up, bend this down. Now we want to make our way up towards the side of the body. Now let's draw that same arm flipped over on the right side holding the walkie-talkie. So we're going to start by lining up the top of the arm, bend this down and up towards the wrist. Let's curl around the thumb, going up and down towards the tip, and curl that back up. Let's place a rectangle in behind the thumb in an angle. We go up, flatten off the top, come all the way down towards the bottom, flatten off the bottom, and then go back up. Let's add 3 small half circles along the outside for the fingers. And then on the outside along the top, we're going to draw the antenna, going up with 2 lines, and then round out the top. Let's go back to the wrist and draw the edge of the sleeve, coming down, out, and then back in. And then right here, close off the palm, draw the outside of the sleeve, going up underneath, and we'll fill that area in black. Now I'm going to add some lines inside the walkie-talkie from the top, coming down. Let's add a couple buttons across the bottom. Now just like we did on the left side, we're going to tear out the bottom of the sleeve, just work our way in towards the side of the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ghostface from Scream. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.